20 minutes later.
And see, I normally like the fans, but it messes up my beautiful fluffy hair.
The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
I still think it absolutely sucks. I think it's an absolute ripoff that they put these in the smaller cups now. Still tastes amazing, but still. Alrighty. I'd say this is probably the greatest piece of food in Pandora. Oh. Very flaky. Oh, look, there's a few of the brown lemurs too. Look at that thing! Isn't it just adorable? Uh-oh. Here we go! Oh, are the otters finally out after so long?
Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
This is Seeker. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino, it's the little one.
That is called cannibalism, my dear children, and is in fact frowned upon in most societies.
That's it! Abort mission! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
Maewa, Maewa.
think my back has ever been as sweaty as it is now. Like, it's absolutely disgusting. So I need to head back to the Contemporary. Maybe get a peanut butter pie, because that peanut butter pie was actually pretty good. Change, well, actually no, get a shower, change, and then head to Springs because we're meeting up with some friends later to eat. Well, adios Animal Kingdom, I'm gonna miss you. Alrighty my beauties, so I am now showered, changed into a shirt that you guys haven't seen yet, so that's a first, and I think we're ready to head over to Disney Springs. Now, it unfortunately rained earlier, so if the camera lens fogs up, that's why. Oh wow, look at that, it's already fogging up. Now again, Springs does not have any sort of park capacity. Is that park capacity? Yeah, because Disney Springs is totally a park. So I don't know how crowded it's going to be. I assume this is probably going to be its highest point.
These cheese sticks look like they're about to absolutely slap. Alright, so this thing is apparently called the Rainforest Ricky. I forget exactly what is in it, but let's try this out. I taste the pineapple. I taste pineapple and raspberry so far. Okay. I might have went a little overboard with the selection, but I think we'll pull through. Normally, I'm still kind of new to the shrimp game. Like, I've had popcorn shrimp for years, but like real, like good shrimp, this is probably the best I've ever had.
This is Bear Grylls on the scene. Got a big storm coming. We're gonna head over to World of Disney and get something. Oh geez, is that the line to get in? I hope not. Alright bitches, this is Bear Grylls coming at you again. Alright, we're on a mission. We gotta hit up Pele Soccer and Sprinkles, because I'm in the mood for a salty caramel cupcake and some Adidas X 19.1s.
Oh yeah, getting in my belly.
2 hours later.
Alrighty, package has been obtained. Now we gotta go to Pele. This is like the most crowded I've ever seen any area on property since I've been back. Again, I'm honestly hoping that after this weekend is over, crowds die down. Whoa, those look good.
All right, so this is the Cracker Jack one. I ate all the Cracker Jacks off, but I just want to try the icing.
THD03. T. HD03. A.
This is a good cupcake.
03.
Oh, it's so good.